3, 2, 1, start. The challenge in this writ petition filed by the Union of India through its functionaries is to an order dated January 23, 2020, passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi, within bracket Tribunal for short, in original application number 2164/2019 within bracket OA for short, whereby the tribunal has allowed the OA filed by the respondent herein by directing in paragraph 9 as under. Though technically the respondents are justified, but in view of the peculiar facts of the case narrated above, more particularly that the applicant was educationally qualified and she was selected and she was working on ad hoc basis in Kendriya Vidyalaya before being selected by the respondents, and she had been working to the satisfaction of the respondents right from 1983 up to the attainment of 60 years of her age in 2008, and right from 1955 the need of Hindi Pradhyapak was required, and right from 1979 vacancies were available and the recruitment rules were also framed in 1979, and as per their own submission 200 vacant posts were available, and the services of the applicant was taken by posting her all over India, though on the basis of ad hoc appointment. I am of the view that her services shall be treated as qualifying service right from 21/1/1983 to 4/7/2008, and I direct the respondents to treat the above period of service of the applicant as qualifying service and calculate all her retirement and other pensionaries benefits and pay the same to the applicant within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. However, she is not entitled for any interest from 2008 to the date of passing of this order. In case the retirement benefits are not paid within the above stipulated time, applicant is entitled to interest on the retirement benefits at the GPF rate. No order as to costs. The facts as noted from the record are that on January 2020, 1983, the respondent was initially appointed as Hindi Pradhyapak within bracket HP for short on ad hoc basis. It is an admitted case of the parties that on the date of her appointment on ad hoc basis as HP, she was beyond the age limit prescribed under the recruitment rules, that is 30 years, and that the regular recruitment of the candidates had to be done through the Staff Selection Commission within bracket SSC for short. The case of the petitioners was that due to exigency, respondent was appointed on ad hoc basis as HP, which appointment continued from time to time till November 30, 1989, when her services were disengaged. Thereafter, the respondent filed OA 2239/1990 before the tribunal, and the said OA was disposed of on July 10, 1992 by the tribunal, directing the petitioners to consider the case of the respondent for appointment anywhere in India. The respondent was given appointed as HP on ad hoc basis on February 8, 1993, which appointment continued till May 31, 2008 with the same officiating grade till she attained the age of 60 years, which is otherwise an age of superannuation. Stop.